Unlock a treasure trove of free crypto. Imagine collecting free cryptocurrency every single day without any investment or effort. In this video, I will show you a free platform offers you the opportunity to earn digital assets effortlessly just by logging in daily. Before we embark on this exciting journey, ensure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you never miss out on our incredible strategies for wealth creation. We provide opportunities that span across the globe for online income generation. Share with us your location in the comments below, and we'll tailor our content to suit your region. Now, let's begin. Unlock the door to financial empowerment and daily cryptocurrency rewards with Good Dollar, paving the way towards a future where wealth creation is accessible to all. Good Dollar is an empowering platform that offers you the unique opportunity to gather free cryptocurrency daily. It's a beacon of financial freedom, illuminating your path towards a future where wealth creation is within everyone's reach. To earn from Good Dollar, you have the opportunity to claim free cryptocurrency daily. This can be done by logging into the member dashboard or mobile application. The specific cryptocurrency you will be claiming is the Good Dollar token. Simply access the platform's wallet through either the web-based platform or the mobile app and hit the claim button. Then, all you need to do is tap on Claim Now and voila! Your free crypto awaits you. Another method to generate income from Good Dollar is by actively participating in its referral program. By referring friends, family, or colleagues to join the platform, users have the opportunity to earn additional rewards and benefits. This incentivizes users to expand the Good Dollar community while also allowing them to benefit from the growth of the platform. Now, you might wonder how you can get paid. Well, the method of payment on this platform is through its proprietary wallet, which serves as a storage for your tokens. You have the flexibility to either retain these tokens within the platform or transfer them to an alternate cryptocurrency wallet for trading purposes. The Good Dollar token, which you'll be receiving, already possesses monetary value. Therefore, it can be conveniently converted into cash via various cryptocurrency exchange platforms. Good Dollar is accessible in every country that does not impose restrictions on cryptocurrency. To register, you have the option to use your Google or Facebook account. Alternatively, you can sign up without a password by simply providing your mobile number. Good Dollar will then send an SMS code that you need to enter in order to access the dashboard. Upon completing registration, it's essential that you undergo the verification process so as to begin claiming your complimentary cryptocurrency. Join the growing community of crypto enthusiasts who are building their digital wealth for free. Start accumulating crypto assets and watch your holdings grow steadily over time. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to claim your daily dose of free crypto. Sign up now and start building your digital fortune. As we draw to a close, we have a humble appeal for you. If this video sparked inspiration and you yearn for more enlightening content like this, please do not hesitate to express your appreciation by clicking the like button and sharing it with your circle who might also find value in it. Your unwavering support fuels our passion to craft more enriching content just like this. If you haven't joined our community yet, seize the moment and click on the subscribe button while ensuring that bell icon rings. By subscribing, you'll be at the forefront of knowledge when we unveil new videos about wealth creation strategies. Thank you for being part of our journey, and we eagerly await to meet again in our next video.